Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert a video to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a video that we will be uploading to the presentation itself and the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop. Now click on presentation.key, open, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now add a new slide, delete all the content. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to add a video as part of the media to this presentation. So let's now minimize the Keynote application for the moment. Let's now go over to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Movies. I have a folder here called Videos. Click on this, and now let's take a video. Command T to copy. Go to the desktop. Paste the item. Close Finder. Go all the way around to the dock again. Go to the Keynote application, and now to add this video to the presentation on screen, take that video, drag and drop. This should now be added to the presentation itself. We can increase the size of the video itself and then align to the center. So now what we will do, in order for us to play this video, if I were to, let's just say, click on the button itself, the video should start playing. Let's now click on play. And the video itself is playing. So, escape, Command S to save, quit Keynote. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.